Okay, so on page 357, we're looking at number 5. And we want to use our efficient 7th grade method to do it. We're going to figure out not the discount and then take it off the original. We're going to do it in one step. Figure out how much we pay and just do that math. Rounding to the nearest cent. So number 5 says, and it's a story problem, a pair of inline skates is on sale for $90. If this price represents a 9% discount from the original price, what's the original price to the nearest cent? What are we trying to find? What is the original price to the nearest cent? What are we looking for? Organ. Good. And so when we use this equation, the percent times the whole is equal to the part. Which one is the original price? This one or that one? Which one is the original price? The part or the whole? The what? The whole. This would be how much the whole thing costs. The sales price is the part that we pay. And so this is just like that last example we talked about. What percent do we pay? What percent do we pay? How do we figure it out? It says a pair of inline skates is on sale for $90. Where does that number go? Let's start there. If it's on sale for $90, where does that go? Yes, Shaylin. How come it's the part? You're right. Good. We don't know how much the whole thing costs, but the part we pay is $90. Okay? Remember, it's the part that we pay, so we need to have the percent that we pay. It says the price represents a 9% discount. So, Zach, what are you going to do? Good work. If we had to pay 100%, but now we are taking a 9% discount, what percent do we have to pay? 91%. And so what goes here? If this is the percent we have to pay, what goes there? Not 91. No. Because it's 91%. So it's 0.91 because we have to change that to a decimal. Percent means out of 100. That's in the 100th place. What do we do about this whole? We don't know what that is. What do we do in our equation? Put a letter. Let's pick W because it stands for the whole. What questions do you have about where these things came from? I'm with you so far, Mrs. Smith. Now I think I could do a problem like this all by myself is where I want you to be able to be. Okay? How do I figure out the whole price? Right now it's multiplied by 0.19 and it equals $90. How do I get this W all by itself? What am I going to do, Caden? By? Good. I'm going to divide by 0.91 itself because then this side gets to be 1. And the W times 1 is just W. That's the multiplicative identity. But if I do that on this side of the equation, how do I keep the equation balanced? What do I have to do on this side of the equation? Caden. Awesome. I have to do the exact same thing. Otherwise, it's not balanced. So this simplifies to 1, and I'm left with W. What's your question? Jaden, what question? Mm-hmm. And so you would still subtract, but you always move the decimal 2 places. Always, always. Does that answer your question? Then you would still do 100 take away 31, and whatever's left over is what you would do. Good question. And so now, can I use a calculator? Yeah. Have I shown what I'm going to plug in? Yeah, absolutely. And so I'm going to do 90 divided by 0.91. Should my answer be more or less than $90?
More.
Why more? Why more? What does $90 stand for? $90 is the... It's the part you pay. We're looking for the original price. The original price better be more or we didn't do something correct. What does this say? Oh, look at that craziness. How much money is that? 98.901098. Do I move it over? No, this stands for amount of dollars. It's not. The decimal's right here. So how much money is this? Good, $98. And 90 cents. Why is it 90 cents and not 91 cents? Why is it $90, 90 cents and not 91 cents, Jaden?
Because you don't round the zero up to a 1.
Why not? Because why, Miss Grover? Perfect. I'm going to look to the place value to the right. This is a 1. That means I keep it the same. If it were 5 or higher, then I would round it up. That's my answer.